Today we're gonna replace Kelsey with, well, nothing, because Kelsey's great.
I'm irreplaceable!
That was it. That's our intro.
Team Cooper Autoworks presents Projekt Schmutzwagen.
All right, so we've got a few things to do. We've got a radiator that needs replacing, in-tank plastic part that's broken, and it's cracked and leaking. Got some really noisy pulleys. It sounds like this thing's turbocharged. It's not. That's just a pulley. And we're gonna kind of brainstorm how we're gonna tie this front bumper into the frame. So we need to kind of bring some bars back, tie into the frame, so we have a place for skid plate and to protect the bottom side of the car. Excuse me. A little on pulling.
Is there none in it?
There's something else.
Whole radiator is gonna fall out.
Yeah, you didn't secure it properly. That screw.
Need to be secured.
Not really, no.
Oh, we're gonna be taking high-speed water crossings or anything.
We might.
That was
The opportunity
sarcastic.
hasn't presented itself yet.
But
if it does.
That was a joke.
Almost got it out. Don't worry, we'll be nicer with the new one.
Will we go?
Probably not. There. Here's our old radiator. So we found that all the pulleys were bad. We're going to replace the worst one because we don't really have good replacements for the other two. This might quiet it down a bit. Here's just pulleys hanging out on the engine. That one doesn't feel good. That one doesn't feel very good. That's not bad. Not great. That one's no good.
Oh, I thought it was supposed to spin.
I'm supposed to spin. You're not supposed to make noise. There's one on there that might be okay.
So what happens when you have noisy pulleys?
They make a lot of noise until they stop making noise.
Then they
Because
fall
they
off?
stopped spinning, but they fell off. Okay, I've got an update.
What?
I have an update.
Got some pulleys?
So here's the one that came off the car, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's not great. This one,
That sounds pretty good, right?
it's better. It's not as bad. So I think we're just going to use this one. Okay, so we have our belt back on with a replacement pulley. Which looks to be installed correctly. So we put our new radiator in. This is a radiator. We're going to put it in here.
Good job, babe.
I don't know what else you want me to explain. I'm not certain if that's in there right, but we'll just say it is. It's easier that way.
In this episode of Projekt Schmutzwagen, things get steamy. I'm trying to steam this crappy tint off the windows, but it's sort of working. So there's that. Aha!
Kind of just mocking this piece up. Want it to kind of be down low. and then tie up into here, and we'll make some type of mounting bracket for that. Not sure if you can see that well, but this is where the factory sway bar mounts to. We're not running a sway bar, so we're actually going to build a plate here. It's going to come down to this, and maybe weld that up. We'll cut that off so it doesn't interfere with the wheel and tire, and that'll give us our protection underneath. So the idea is we'll cut it flat, right? And then we'll weld a flat plate on it with 2 holes in it. And then we can just bolt it up here when we install the bumper. Yeah. But I think we nailed that.
So we did some stuff today. We changed our radiator and a pulley.
Just one pulley.
Yeah, they were all bad, but we only had one other one, so one pulley changed. And then we worked on mocking up some lower bumper bar stuff. You know, we didn't like weld anything or anything, but
No, made a bend. It actually came out pretty close, even though it was just kind of roughing it in. And I think we make that part work. We've got another piece we need to see if we can scavenge that and make that work. And Kelsey pulled the tent off the rear windows. That was some really junky tent. It looks bad. So keep working on this next time.
yep.
I guess that's